Hi, my name is Anna and I'm a marketer here at Fastuna. Let me introduce you to our platform and give you a tour of our features, solutions, and tools. So, what is Fastuna? We are a platform for quickly testing product ideas and marketing communication with real people. We help insights managers, marketers, and product teams make decisions fast and with confidence that the products or services you're creating are exactly what your audience wants and needs. So let's have a look at our solutions. Our solutions cover the entire product cycle span. So, for example, if you are an insights manager, you will be able to solve 80% of your tasks with the help of our platform. Starting with the concept stage right here, we've got three different tools for testing insights, ideas, and concepts to make sure that you focus on the one or the ones that your audience resonates with the most. And you will be able to create a product or a service based on the best insights and ideas. Then we have three different tools right now for testing product features, such as a claim test that can help you test unique selling points, a design test, and a name test. A price test is coming out soon as well, so make sure to watch this space. Then moving on to the third part is the marketing communication testing. We've got five different tools, so you're completely covered in the marketing department. You can test messages for your ads, visuals, video ads, audio ads, and promotions. So we have it all. However, if you didn't find a solution that is relevant to your specific purpose right now, you can have a look at the section right here and create a custom survey with this DIY survey tool, for example. And now, how about we create a project together? For example, let's launch a concept test. You can choose between 50 different countries on the platform right now. In the recording, the list isn't visible, but I am choosing the United Kingdom option. You will be able to see the full list once you launch the project yourself. So here we go. This is the concept test. You can have a look at the methodology, the questionnaire, and the example of your report, but I will be showing you the report example in just a few minutes myself. It's also very important to note that our research experts have already created the survey for you. You don't need to know what questions to ask, they are built in. All you need to do at this point is just add your idea or ideas if you want to compare a few different ideas. For example, let's test two product ideas by LG. One is a steam closet. You put in a name and a description. Let me do that right here. 1 second. Okay, that's our description. And also you can upload visual materials. They can be images or videos. I'm uploading an image right here. Okay, it's loading. You can also add a price for your product idea. In our case, this is the price. And we're adding a second idea to compare the first one with. It is also an LG product that is called a shoe case and care system. So let's add a second description. Your consumers will be able to see the description and the video or the visual material that you will upload, and that will help them answer questions that we will ask. In this case, we don't know the price exactly, so let's untick this option. And here you specify the target group. So in our case, we know we've chosen the United Kingdom. The age can be changed if you want to. I will leave it like this. And you can also change the gender and the socioeconomic grade. Let's keep all the options like that. If you want to, you can ask extra questions. But like I said, there are already built-in questions in the questionnaire, so you don't have to choose this option. If you think there is a reason for it, you can do that here. You put in the question, a visual file if it's necessary, you choose your question type, and you save it. At any point, if you have any questions to us, you can reach out and our support team will help you and make sure that everything runs smoothly. But okay, right now we are choosing how many people will be answering our survey. So you can choose between 50, 100, and 200 people per idea. And if we go with the middle option like that, in total, 200 people will answer the survey because we have two ideas. And now, finally, we tick the boxes and accept agreements, and we are now ready to launch. Once you press this button here, our support team will check that everything is fine. They will take maybe 2 hours to do that, to make sure that there aren't any mistakes, and then your project will go into the field. So you put in the name, you save and continue, and here we go. Congratulations, you've launched the project, and in 24 hours, you will get your answers. And now, the moment we've been waiting for. Let's look at the results. As you may have guessed, we have already previously run this LG project. And if you want to see our case study based on it, you can do that right here in the cases section. However, let's circle back to the report. And all of our reports follow essentially the same structure. They all start with a summary of what was tested, how many ideas you tested, who you asked, and how many people answered each idea. The report can be downloaded in Excel, but there's also an option to share the report with your team. And that means that you will be able to collaborate on the report inside the platform. You will be able to leave notes, ask questions, set tasks, leave recommendations for your colleagues and team members. So everything can happen inside the platform. But if you want to, you can download the report in Excel as well. By the way, here's the first part of the report, and it starts with the general perception score. Below every report, there is a key, so you can see exactly what your results are. In our case, the first product idea, the steam closet, was very well received by the consumers. It is scored as above the average, and the second idea didn't perform as well. It's 25% of the worst. And how do we know this? How do we know this? We have collected a huge database of tests, and now collectively they work as a benchmark. So now, every time a new idea is tested, a new product feature, a marketing communication, whatever it is, it will be tested against this benchmark. So we know exactly what the general perception is. Then you get the second part of the report, which is a more detailed breakdown of your ideas based on the metrics right here. These metrics come from the questions that we asked, and those questions are based on the ISIS model, previously known as the IDA model, that explains consumer behavior. So once again, there is a visual key below the report, and it is easy to see that, for example, purchase at price metric didn't work so well, didn't resonate with the audience, and uniqueness is very high. It is 25% of the best. In fact, that is an assessment of the first idea, the steam closet. And if you click on the second idea, you get its own report as well. You can also compare the two ideas next to each other. And that's what it would look like. You can download the report, or you can click on that little icon above and share the link to the report, and you'll be able to work inside the platform on it. Then another feature that we have is a word cloud. For example, right here, you get the words most associated with each idea. All you need to do is click on the idea name, and you can see the positive, neutral, or negative words associated with your ideas. And my favorite final section is the comment section. So we asked an open-ended question, and all of your respondents answered. You get an indication of their age and gender, and you can look through all of their answers. Some are very detailed. That's why I think it's just incredibly useful to look at those too. You get an insight that you just don't get without this open-ended question option. And this is it. This is what a typical report at Fastuna looks like. Thank you for watching this demo. Now, how about we circle back to the main page, and I will give my final word. So, what is Fastuna? Like I said, we help insights managers, marketers, and product teams make decisions fast. It only takes 15 minutes actually to make a decision based on consumer insights, and you're free to go. Everything else is taken care of by our human interface. And please do not hesitate to contact our support team. We're always here to answer your questions. In fact, if you have any questions right now, this is the chat box on the main page right here. You can ask us any questions and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to, we can even book you a free consultation, give you another tour of our solutions, find the right ones for you, and maybe even explain how you could integrate our platform into your processes so that your product innovation process is even smoother and more streamlined. Like it says here, for example, you can speed up the product innovation cycle with us and make it more effortless and your workload lighter. So, thank you so much for listening, and I hope to see you soon. Bye! Hi, my name is Anna, and I'm a marketer here at Fastuna. Let me introduce you to our platform.